Hey everybody, it's Travis Holzem with Food Forest Design Minnesota. And short video today for you. But before I get into it, like, subscribe, comment, share this video, please. Every little bit helps. And reason for this video today is coming spring 2025 is the Food Forest Design Network. Okay. And basically, what I am looking for today, this video is about, is I'm seeking permaculture designers across the United States to join this collaborative network. Okay. Now, what does this network offer? Increased visibility for you. Okay. You can showcase your expertise to a wider audience, potential clients. You have network opportunities where you're going to be able to connect with other designers and share your knowledge and collaborate on projects together, and you will have access to more resources. Okay. But most of all, you're going to be part of a thriving network of like minded individuals and permaculture designers and installers. So, what are we looking for at the Food Forest Design Network? Well, we're looking for experienced permaculture designers with a strong portfolio. However, that does not disclude you, or it doesn't keep you from being part of this network if you don't have a large portfolio. As long as you have a PDC and you're willing to learn, we want you to be part of our network. Okay. As long as you're passionate about uh, regenerative, edible landscapes and food systems, and you're dedicated to designing them, um, and you see that you have the same goals and mission that we do, and you're a team player. We want team players. We don't need individuals. We want people who love to work together. Okay, because sometimes some of these larger properties and homesteads and um, hobby farms, permaculture farms take more than one designer sometimes, because everybody has their own specialties. Some people have come from different backgrounds in engineering and construction and masonry and all different types of stuff, or, you know, because we have a lot of different factors when it comes to designing properties. So we want to have every base covered. And the more designers we have in our network, the more we'll be able to cover any situation that we run into. Okay. And what we are looking for is to create a more sustainable and abundant future by connecting passionate designers with stewards and clients seeking to transform their landscapes into thriving food forests. Now, all you have to do, like I said, we're launching in spring 2025, or maybe even before that. It just depends. We're going to be in pre-launch here probably in about a week to 2 weeks. Okay. And I'd like to get you in the network. Now, the website is still being built out, and the training is still being built out for the network. However, the designers part of this network does not have to be on the website right now, because we just need to have you in the network so we can offer designs to you as they come in, depending on where you live. We have an amazing marketing solution in place. I come from a web development background of 25 years. Okay. So I know web development, I know websites, I know social media, I know online marketing, I know search engine optimization. I know all of that. So I come from that background, and now I'm in the space of permaculture design and installation. Okay. So I know how to get the message out. And I also, okay, I'm a former Marine, just to let you know. I'm a veteran. own business, and I have teamed up with another Marine who specializes in online marketing and social media. Okay. And he has been specializing in advertising and marketing. He doesn't, I have been specializing in the web development side mostly. So he is the go to for social media and advertising and marketing campaigns online. And we have joined up, and he also has a permaculture background. Um, but what I'd like you to do is visit foodforestdesignminnesota.com, and on the page, on the front page, let me make sure I get this right because I don't want to be wrong. Okay, I'm going to be pull up my website here. Okay, when you come to foodforestdesignminnesota.com, up in the navigation at the top of the website, you're going to see Getting Started, Services, Get Involved, Image Gallery, Contact, and Quick Links. Those are the headings you'll see in the navigation. Where you see Get Involved, you want to hover over that navigation. And when that drops down, you're going to see become an affiliate, become an installer, become a designer, or support our mission, or join our network. You want to click on join our network and fill out the form on the page that you are directed to. And it's going to have some questions about your design experience, whether you have your PDC or not. Um, don't let that discourage you if you don't have a PDC, because I have a training course for you to get your foot in the door to start designing while you continue your education to get a larger PDC from one of our other training partners, because we have training partners and other designers that are very, very highly skilled. Some of them are mentors to me that have helped me immensely in my career so far. And I am going to lean on them because they are amazing designers. And like I said, they have years and years and years of experience. I have 5 years. These guys and girls have 10, 15, 20 years of experience. So I lean on them for some things. And so they can help me help you become a better designer. So sign up for the network, get on my list, and I will expose you to more designs so you can make a living being a permaculture designer. Okay, this is not a overpromise, underdeliver type of situation. I'm not blowing smoke up anybody's ass, and I'm not going to hype you up and then not have anything to back it up. Okay, so we want everybody to be successful. Like I said, we want to collaborate together because we all have a shared mission of growing food. And we all know the problem, or the solution to some of the world's biggest problems are growing locally and healthy, pesticide and herbicide, chemical fertilizer free foods. It's pretty simple when you think about it. But please visit foodforestdesignminnesota.com and fill out the form and become part of the network. And I can't wait to talk to you. I can't wait for you to be part of the network because we are growing something special here. Okay. I have seen others try to do this and they failed because they didn't have the right people in place, because they did not know how to run a business. And guess what? I built this business from the ground up the past 5 years. I know what works. I know what doesn't. I've seen what doesn't work. I've seen some of the snake oil salesmen out there that promise, overpromise, and do not deliver and underdeliver. And that's not us. We're all about permaculture principles, integrity, honesty, transparency, and growing food to help everybody. So please visit the website today and get signed up for the network. I look forward to talking to you soon. Have an amazing day, my friends. Grow food, not lawns.